guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick tutorial using this month's April BOXYCHARM. I'm starting off with the My Little Pony eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, which came in this month's box. The first color I'm going to use is Applejack, and I'm going to sweep this in my crease for a transition color. Now I'm going into Minty eyeshadow, and I'm just popping this darker purple shade in my crease for some depth. I'm using the darkest color in this palette to create a smoky look, and I'm just patting this on my lower lid, and then I'm blending out the edges in my crease with an angled eyeshadow brush. This is the Tart Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the color Stunner, and I decided to use this to carve out my crease and give a little glow to the center of my lid. I'm just using this with a flat concealer brush to carve out my crease and then use my finger to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to apply a few coats of Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit just to make my lashes look thicker and fuller, and then I'm going to top it off with a pair of falsies. Moving on to my brows, I'm going to use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit just to shape and define them, and then comb them out with a spoolie, and then I'm going in with this brow product that I got from this month's BOXYCHARM. This is from the Brow Gal. It's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. I love how it made my brow look nice and thick, but keeping it natural looking. Now moving on to my complexion, I'm just applying a foundation for a full coverage. Then I'm going to conceal underneath my eye area and then set everything to keep it in place. If you want to see a tutorial on my foundation routine, I will have a link above. Now I'm taking the same eyeshadows I used on my lid and putting it underneath my lower lash line to complete the look. And then I'm just going to top it off with a few coats of mascara to finish up the eyes. To add some color to my face, I'm going to use the Benefit Hula bronzer. I'm going to apply this to my temples, top of my forehead, hollows of my cheeks, and then under my jaw and on my neck. Then I'm going in with a contour powder just to give myself a little bit more definition in my cheekbones. I'm going back in with a liquid highlighter from Tart, and I love that this is finger friendly. I just press this right into the highest points of my face. So I'm using this on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, on my nose, anywhere where I want a nice glow. Before I apply a lip color, I'm going in with a lip pencil from NYX to shape and define my lips. This is a liquid lipstick that I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. I love this color. It's such a great neutral, and I thought this complemented the eye look perfectly. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.